Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Adobe Illustrator. First, launch Illustrator and create a new document. It is important to select the document profile you typically use, such as print or web, as this is where the default font setting resides. Once your new document is open, ensure that no objects are selected on your artboard before proceeding to the next crucial step. Now, let's set your preferred font. Navigate to the window menu, then type, and select Character Styles to open the panel. In the Character Styles panel, you will find Normal Character Style. Double-click on it to access its options. Here, under Basic Character Formats, you can select your desired font family, style, and size, perhaps setting it to 12 points for clear readability. This step is crucial for the changes to stick permanently. Using the Type tool, add a temporary text object to your artboard, then immediately delete it. This action helps Illustrator properly register the font change within the profile. Next, go to File and select Save As. Navigate to the New Document Profiles folder and save your modified file, making sure to overwrite the original profile you opened earlier to apply your new settings. To finalize these important changes, close Adobe Illustrator completely and then restart the application. Now, when you create a new document using the specific profile you just updated, your chosen font will automatically be the default for any new text you create. This streamlined process saves you valuable time and ensures consistent typography across all your future projects, making your workflow much more efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.